Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and today we are going to talk about something trending in the tech world, that is vibe coding. So let's begin. What if I told you you don't need to know full syntax, frameworks or even logic deeply, you just need a vibe and the code write itself. This is called vibe coding. Some people say it's the future of programming, but others say it's just a hype. So today let's understand what vibe coding really is, how it works, its pros, cons, and whether you should trust it or not. Think about this. Blank screen, cursor blinking, and your brain goes 404, logic not found. You know what? You want to build, but you don't know how to start. This is where vibe coding enters. Okay, now let's take an example. Suppose you want to create a login page, and instead of writing 200 lines of React code, you say create a dark theme login page with neon buttons and smooth animation, and boom, AI gives you working code. That is vibe coding. Let's break it. Step 1, you bring the vibe. Step 2, AI tools help you. AI tools like ChatGPT, Cursor AI, Grok, and many more. If you want to learn about AI tools, let me know on this channel. I create simple, practical, showing how to use AI tools effectively, not just what they are, but how they actually help you. If you are a student, beginner, or creator, this is the right place for you. These tools understand natural language and convert it into a real code. You are no longer typing code, you are directing code. Why vibe coding becomes so popular nowadays? Reason one is AI boom. AI is everywhere. Writing, designing, coding. Reason two is faster development. Startup want app fast, not perfect. Reason 3 is low entry barrier. Even beginners can build real projects. Reason 4 is creator or indie hackers. Solo developers now build full product alone. That's powerful. But wait, if vibe coding is so powerful, does that mean coding skills are dying? Or we are creating lazy developers? What do you think? Please comment. You know what? The biggest advantage of vibe coding is the speed. What you used to take days now take hours. What you used to take hours now take minutes. This is huge. The beginners no longer need to memorize syntax first. They can build projects, see results fast, stay motivated. Earlier, many people quit coding because they saw nothing working. Vibe coding gives instant feedback. That dangerous but also powerful. Vibe coding shifts focus from syntax to creativity. You think about user experience, UI feeling, problem solving instead of missing semicolon. Import error, configuration hell. It returns developer it turns actually developers into designer plus thinkers. Now let's move on and talk about something called the indie hacker or solo developers. Earlier, building a full product all alone was almost impossible. Now, one person can design UI, build backend, connect database, deploy apps. This is created a new generation called indie hacker. They they don't code perfectly, they shift fast. Um, to be honest, vibe coding is good for beginners, content creators, hackathon projects, or freelancers with tight deadlines. But it is not ideal for any safety critical system, large enterprises, code database, complex system architecture. So, vibe coding is a tool, not a replacement. Let me be very clear. AI doesn't understand your business. AI doesn't take responsibility. If something breaks, you are responsible. That's where the problem begins. So far, vibe coding sounds amazing, right? But there's the dark side. What if you don't understand your own code? AI gives wrong logic. You can't debug anything, do you know? So comment below. What can you do in this situation? Now let's talk honestly. No hype, no trend, no filter. Because every powerful tool has a dark side and vibe coding is no expectation. The biggest problem many people generate code, run it, and if it works, they are so happy. But if break, they don't know why it broke, where it broke, how to fix it. You didn't build the logic, you accept it. That is dangerous. AI is good at writing code, but debugging that is still needs human thinking. When when an error appear, you can't just say, "Hey, I fix everything." Real projects don't work like that. This is where many vibe coders get stuck. Vibe coding can create fake confidence. Someone building 5 apps using AI and think, I am a senior developer now. But interview don't ask, can you prompt AI? They ask, how does this work? Why did you choose this? Explain the architecture, and the reality hits hard, very hard. What if AI tools is done, company bans AI, internet is slow, your skill just disappear and real developer can code without AI. A vibe only coder cannot. AI doesn't always write best practices. Sometimes it's duplicate code, create performance issue, misses security checks. In a small project, it is okay, totally fine. But in real world project, real world apps, it is very dangerous. Let me be very clear. Companies are not hiring AI prompt engineer only. They are hiring developer who understand fundamental and use AI wisely. AI is a powerful tool, not a brain. So, after all this, is vibe coding the future of programming? Or it is just another tech trend that will disappear? The answer is depend on how you use it. Vibe coding is not replacing developers, it replaces repetitive work, boilerplate code, slow development cycle. The future developer will understand fundamental, use AI as a multiplier, focus on creativity and problem solving. Those who only rely on AI will totally struggle. Those who combine a skill plus AI will win-win-win situation. So, step 1, learn basic first, If you are doing front end, just learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all the fundamentals that are non negotiable. Understand how code runs, how data flow, how error happens. Use AI as a teacher. Ask AI why this code, how does it work, what are alternatives. Don't just copy paste it. If you can't explain your project, you don't really know it. Use vibe coding to speed up, improve UI, and refactor code. And then practice debugging manually. Break your own code, fix it without AI first, and then use AI to compare solution. For working professional, if you're already a developer, vibe coding is a superpower. It saves time, reduces burnout, and boosts productivity, but only because you already know what you are doing. And then coding is not all about typing. Coding is about thinking. AI can write code, but only human understand problems. Vibe coding is not bad. Blind vibe coding is totally. So don't fear AI, learn with it, build with it, but never stop thinking. If this video helped you understand vibe coding clearly, please like, share and subscribe and comment below. Do you think vibe coding is the future or just hype? See you in the next video.